Welcome to the daily horoscope September 7. Today we're going to say 5 days of horoscope. September 7, the daily horoscope. A wave of sudden anxiety might shadow this beginning of the week for you, and you will not probably understand what has happened. You might have to do with you being exposed to a great deal of the information for a particular field, and the fact that you don't really know what to do with it all this point in your work. And this is 7th is completed. Subscribe me and get back with the new details. Okay, coming to the September 8th, you will have to deal with the different activities today, some that might not be even connected in any way, and you will probably have to perform some of them at the same time quickly and one after another. And you are not really known as being an expert at multitasking, so I assume you already got the point that this Tuesday will be quite difficult. And September 8th is complete and complete to coming to September 9th, and you might want to be careful with the messages you are trying to convey this Wednesday, because although your intention might be honest, what you come across as you saying might sound a bit too harsh. This means that instead of helping people out, you will probably drive them away. Interesting if you will manage to realize this before you go all on. And September 9th is completed, and coming to the September 10. 7th is completed, 8th is completed, 9th is completed, coming to the 10th. So some sort of family disputes will probably leave you with a better taste for a while this Thursday, but maybe you are not in the position to amend things, so you need to just get on with your life. However, this doesn't mean that you should expect others to make the first step either. Perhaps things are supposed to stay like this for a while. So 7th is completed, 8th is completed, 9th is completed, 10th is completed, 11th going to be the 11th, September 11th. The current disposition is playing you a bit, and it takes all the fear out from you to replace it with all sort of worries and pessimism. Sorry, on one side, this is actually good because it allows you to action, but one on the other, your actions are quite refraining, and you seem to not let yourself succeed. All this happening at on emotional level. So this is completed for the till now, and September 11th is completed, and future will be 12th, 13th, 14th, and 15th, and 16th also. And subscribe me. I will get back with the new details. And for this till, I mean, for that time, I'm say goodbye. Subscribe me.